tail. Look at this. One of the side streets of the Apalachicola River. Man, it's a beautiful day.
Pretty back in there, huh? Tell them. Hey, pretty.
Jeez. Why didn't you bark at him, Stell? This is Stella's first time on the boat. Oh, that's gonna fall. Let me see.
Ain't going nowhere.
Ooh, good. First time on the boat. Think she's doing pretty good. You're not chasing after waves. That's not happening. Which way are we going? Left or right? I don't know. Right always sounds right.